So as a cleaner, we recommend using some type of cleansing agents, going through and have different types of a solution that could be more alkalinic or acidic. It also has different types of materials within it to be able to bind and take away wax. So it's going to take away the wax as well as bind different types of minerals in there like calcium. And you can purchase that over the counter at PetSmart, Petco, or your pet store. And also your veterinarian will have it as well. What you can do is take that cleaner and take your dog's ear and pour a little bit of cleaner into the ear itself, and then just massage the ear really, really, really well. Your dog probably at this time will go through and be able to shake his head, and make sure you're in a place where when he shakes his head, the cleaner most likely will come out of the ear and cause a little bit of mess in the area. So keeping him in an area where you don't mind a little bit of a mess being made. So then after you're done going through and rubbing the ear, letting him shake it out, you can take maybe a small towel and blot away or lightly touch away any remaining ear cleaner. And then you just repeat the process for the other ear by taking the ear and putting a little bit of ear cleaner directly into the ear, then massaging it, allowing your dog to shake his head. And then any residual material that's in the ear or any residual ear cleaner, you can gently blot that away.